Hi. Okay, I want to make here a very fast demo of the application. I created a new account to begin from scratch. Okay, I'm going to log in, and here we're in the dashboard. You see, you don't have to create any Facebook application or Google application. You just click here, connect, continue, next, done. Okay, and you are ready to begin. You don't need to make nothing more in the settings. Okay, so now in the menu you have three types of posts. Template posts that are like giveaway posts, because these posts get a lot of clicks very fast. So we put many of them here. You see, you can choose one of them, or all of them you can edit because you have an editor. For example, this one, if you choose, you can edit the text here, you can move it, you can change the text, put here new, giveaway. All are editable, and that these are the template posts. Also you have, let's see, viral posts. Okay, viral posts are posts that come from the most viral sites that all the time have cool articles, so you can check which one of these you want. All is loading more all the time, and you have all the last articles from the best sites. For example, here the Chive, break.com, so you can search which one you want to post, and you click here let's post, and you are ready to create a lead magnet. So also you have viral post. Let's see. Okay, so here you put, for example, a keyword. You can put marketing. You can sort by date, for example, and go. And the same, you have all these three types of posts to choose which one you think your audience will click more. So you have more options. So let's say, for example, also we have here, you can add one from scratch if you want, if you don't want to use this. So for example, let's say we want to post this one. I click let's post. So here you see you have all the posts ready. You have the final URL, that is the video. You have the image that it looks like a video to post to Facebook. You can choose which of your fan page you want to post, title, everything is done. You can put here, for example, the Facebook pixel, because everyone clicking this post, you get the email and also you get the pixel ID. So you control totally everyone clicking your post or your ads, because if you spend in ads and you get clicks but you don't make sales, anyway you get emails and pixel audience, so you don't lose the money. Okay, so here you have all set up. I choose this page and now I'm going to publish. Okay, it's ready. You see view on Facebook. Also you can clone this post if you want to post the same post to another fan page. You can clone it and post it again. So now let's see the post in Facebook. Okay, you see the post looks like a video post, like a regular post, and you can see here, for example, the subscriber list that is empty, no user available, so it's clean. So now, for example, I come with my profile, some like a user, and I click this post, and I go to the video like a regular post, nothing new here. But if you check here now, I refresh, you see there is my email and the name, last name, and the date. This was subscribed. And also I can export this list with all the emails, or to connect autoresponder. The autoresponder connect very easy. You choose the service you want, you put the code here and connect. It's very easy to use, and this way you send this lead directly to your list and begin any sequence you want. So it's very good. And one more thing is that in the campaigns you can see how it's doing your post, how many clicks you get, and you can reuse if it was a good campaign. So well, you see, it's a very complete software, and you can profit big with making a big list very fast. When I did to build the software, I make a lot of testing with the developers, and making tests we build a list, because sending a post, everyone click it, and we built a list without wanted. Was incredible. So it's you know it works, people are using it, are making big lists, so it's really very cool. Well, that's all for this video. Thank you very much.